Hey, I'm Jay, and today I will help you navigate through all of our masterclasses. With over 60 masterclasses and beyond Darklands, it can get quite overwhelming to find the correct one. But let me help you.
Once you enter the site, click Filter. A pop-up opens up and will automatically give you 4 choices. You can filter either by date, kink, format, or even by instructor. If you filter by date, just look for the date you have some time left to fill up with a masterclass. As you know, on-site masterclasses already start on Wednesday, March 4th. To make a distinction between online and on-site masterclasses, do so by clicking the All Formats button. If you select Kinks, a menu of all kinds of different subjects pops up, from rubber to shibari, hypnosis to gunplay, and some words I'm not sure I'm even allowed to pronounce here on Instagram. The same goes for instructors. If you've found a class you would like to attend, click More Info. Underneath the title, you'll see the date, the time, the duration, if it's online or on-site, the location, the instructor, the explanation, the group size, and the price per person. The price per masterclass differs and has been set by each individual instructor. Just press Reserve a spot if you want to make a reservation. This will direct you to a new page. On top of it, it says Add-ons, Masterclasses, and once again the date. Double-check this first. Then, you will see all masterclasses that will take place on that specific date. Look for the masterclass that you would like to attend, click the plus sign, select the amount of tickets, go to your shopping cart, and continue to checkout.
Within a few minutes, you will receive an email with your tickets. Et voila!